Casper College Library. Here's how to find peer-reviewed and scholarly articles using our QuickSearch. The library has access to nearly 200 article, video, and music databases, which can be overwhelming if you're not sure which one to use. We have a tool that we call the QuickSearch that will search all of those databases at once. It's a great place to start looking for your articles. Starting on our homepage, which you can find at caspercollege.edu/library, scroll down underneath the Quick Links section where there is a search box labeled Find Articles and More. When you do a search, you'll see a long list of results. We have access to many types of articles, including scholarly, newspaper, and magazine articles, but today we're going to narrow our search to scholarly and peer review. It's worth noting that peer-reviewed research articles are scholarly, but not all scholarly articles have gone through the peer review process, which is why we could narrow our results to only peer review if we specifically only need those types of articles. On this result list, we can make some more choices to reduce the number of results. First, I'm going to click on the scholarly and peer review option under Refine Your Search. For science-related articles, it's common to limit the results to the last 5 years, which I will be doing by clicking on the last 5 years option. In our results list, there's other helpful information. We can tell that these results are journal articles as opposed to ebook chapters or magazine articles. We can tell which articles have been peer-reviewed, which articles are immediately available to read as a PDF or online article, or which are only available as a citation. We can request those citation online articles through Interlibrary Loan, so if you find one that you'd like to read, we can show you the ILL process for requesting articles. We can choose full text online to see the articles we can read right away. Under each article title, there's a quick look link. Clicking on the quick look will include information about the article, such as the journal and page number where it's found, but quite often will include the abstract as well. That summary of the article will help you make it efficient to choose to read the entire article without having to click into the entire article first. And now you can choose an article that works best for your topic. From the results list, you can get into the article either by clicking on the title or the full text online. You can send yourself a link to the article. Here's a permalink for the article as well if you just want to copy the article link. And you can find the citation for your article as well. And that's basically it. If you ever get stuck or have any questions, please contact your Casper College librarians.